Hello everyone, today is Monday, May 7th. It's 4:04 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can see my computer clock on my right, and on my left is the time and sales, the Emini S&P, currently trading at 2670.75. It was a pretty excellent day for the Autotrader today. First up is the DAX on the Renko 14 tick with a $5,000 goal. This did 31.62 for the day. You can see some of the trades here. If I tighten up the equity chart, we had a little drawdown, about $100 per contract, which is nothing for the DAX. And a couple of nice trades brought us up to our goal right about here. So the DAX continuing to be one of our best markets to trade. Okay, next is the DAX on the Renko 14 tick with the lower goal of 2,000. And this had no losing trades, 3 winners in a row, and not really large moves here. As you can see, this long move here, we had a little bit of a break in the action. Still really solid performance. This chart has been seen over and over again many times. Okay, next up is the NASDAQ, which continues to do well. This is on the 1597 Heikin-Ashi chart, and this did have a drawdown of about $900. That's about $400 per contract, and it was straight up from there. So just in the first hour and a half of trading or so, and then it came back on the 11 o'clock hour and had 4 winning trades in a row. Okay, next is the DAX on the 100 tick line break chart, and this had a positive showing today. It looks like we drew down a little bit. We had a losing trade here and drew down about $800 or $400 per contract, and then came back with, looks like 3 winners in a row here, and finished at 762 for the day. Okay, next is the crude oil on a Renko 6 tick, and this is using our line break logic. And this had 5 or 6 trades. Looks like we only had 1 loser right here, and then the rest of the trades were winners. This was a break even right here. But these 3 trades brought us probably to our goal on this, which was 1,030, so we did 1,041 tick positive slippage. Okay, the Emini S&P on a regular 5 Renko chart has also been a really solid performer. This had 3 winning trades, no losers today, and came up to 962.50. Our goal on this is $1,000. Okay, next is the Emini S&P on a Renko 4 tick. We had 2 trades back to back. This one's trading 3 contracts, and it did 887.50. The goal on this is 750. So we had extreme positive slippage on this. And this did not have a drawdown as well, so pretty nice performance here. Okay, the Emini S&P on a Renko 6 tick with our line break logic, and I believe this is the one that starts trading at 12:30 noon. Indeed it is, and this started off with a loser and only drew down about $175 per contract. No, $87.50 per contract, and then had a really nice winning trade, which actually brought it up to its goal and had 1 tick positive slippage. This is using our line break logic. Okay, the DAX on the Heikin-Ashi 150 tick chart had a very modest gain of 550, and it had an equity high here of over 1,000, and then drew down about $900, and then came back to finish at 550 for the session. Okay, next is the NASDAQ on a regular 10 Renko chart, and this was somewhat volatile today. It came up to an equity high of about $650 or so, then had this losing trade here, and then made another equity high of about 900 and settled at 410 for the day. Okay, next up is the mid cap on the Renko 10 tick. This did 310 for the day. It had a winner and a loser, and so that's kind of a modest gain for the mid cap. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.